Here's a question from a YouTube user. It is about how to reinstall the crank arm that came off. So in this video, I'll try to find out how it should be installed. Initially, I thought this metal part is coming off, but it is not the case after comparing it with my old videos. Yep, it is still in a good shape. So here's what I'm going to do. First, tighten the speed knot and make sure the pedal will not move. And then use a screwdriver to remove this plastic cap. Now we can see the bolt that holds the crank arm. Good, we need to use a socket wrench. The 40mm one should be fine. Yep, here you go. Turning clockwise should tighten it. And turning counterclockwise should loosen it. As you can see, it is firmly installed for my bike. I cannot even move it in either directions. Anyway, I found another YouTube video that is helpful for this job, even though it is for another brand. Please click this link or see description below. Thank you.